All right. How's everybody doing? Just about 3:40 in Chicago. Um, Kind of a choppy day, man, for the most part. Here's your day, stuck in the middle. Okay, so indecision. We're same way with the month, right? So we haven't changed anything there. Um, so week is still holding up pretty well. I got to say, all three of the futures still holding green on the weeks. All right, so still holding up pretty decent here with the week, with a couple more days to go. What do we got here? Thursday, Friday. All right, so we'll see what happens before this week ends. We'll see if we can get anything to move. It was kind of, I'm just showing you here. It was the move to the downside. I mean, choppy all day. All right, not much to talk about. That's what when you get a day like that, that's what you end like. Okay, stuck in the middle with indecision. All right, so QQQ same way, chopping as well. Just pretty choppy up and down. Did get every time it flattens out, it'll just do that, right? So we makes that move, it'll flat, it'll break, it'll chop, it'll chop. You see that? So can't get heads or tails on anything right now with the futures. Not really telling us too much, but the week is telling us something, all right? Holding in there pretty good, all right? And on this one, you do have the month, and you got it better, all right? So Q's definitely probably the better of the bunch here. Diamonds have been leading us to the downside, and not able to really get too many rallies today. So came out the day with the 3-2 down, and then chop. She makes the move down, she drops. You make the move there, chop. You get the idea. All right, so still holding up fairly well. Okay, that's a shooter coming down, but that's not horrible. All right, and there's your day today. All right, down. It's just a two down, but finished with red across the board here on the diamonds. So we don't have full time frame continuity because of here, right? But we got this and we got this. So kind of a mess right now, guys. All right, we're not getting any. Our roadmap is not good right now. All right, so a couple things we can go take a look through here. Energy, right? Energy's been where it's at. All right, so today another good day for the XLE. Finally gets it back together after all the choppiness. So look for the two up on this one tomorrow. See if we can get some more movement on energy. Energy, a nice day across the board. Okay, then we'll look at the crude. We'll look at the UCO, close to going out near the highs of the day. There you go. All right, so not much room for sneaky Pete there. All right, two up on the day, very nice. Kind of bringing it back in a little bit now on the overnights. All right, and then we'll look at the regular crude, light sweet crude. There's your day, inside day. So look for something to come back in. This you do not have. I mean, look at this. We got really mixed signals here. We got shooter down green and we got shooter down red on the month and on the week. This is kind of messy, man. Messy. All right. So energy, we'll take a look at a couple. What was good today? Like Valero. Valero had a nice day to the upside today and closed near the highs. VLO. All right, moving very nicely with the month up, and you got the inside week here, looking for the 2-1-2 for continuation. All right, what we're not looking for is to get energy to get too hot, because it can create that inflation that we talk about. All right, MPC. This one's Marathon. Good day today for Marathon, up 2-2 up on the month. We do have, look at that, we got that 2-2 up on the month. We do not have that 2-2 up on the week, but we got an actionable. I tell you, energy could just move out. All right, so a little better there today for sure. Chevron, nice day today there. You got the beautiful hammer on the week now on Chevron with the insider. All right, so we'll see what happens. Nice day up there on Chevron today. All right, so pretty much across the board, only a few stocks that were down today. Diamondback was finished with a positive day here. Well, down $1.73, but they finished with the day green, coming back up. So Fang try to come back up here and on the overnights. A lot of chop going on there too. All right. So energy, all right. I like the Shell too. Shell's a little better here. Nice full time frame continuity to the upside on Shell, looking wonderful there. Okay, so energy, pretty good. And then I go into the rest of these groups, and everything, and I mean everything, is just a mixed bag. Take a knee. This is in your utilities here. Kenny brought it back in here on the day a little bit. Did get up to 92.46. You're still stuck inside the month. The week doesn't look horrible. All right, but you got so many stocks here. Then you got Constellation Energy Group, CEG. For every green one, there's a red one. All right, so there you go, coming back up inside there. Downer day on the Constellation Energy Group, 2-2 back down. All right, so a little lower here, and it seems like the nuclears have been bringing it back in here. That CCJ was hot, and it cooled off real fast. All right, comes right back down. It was up to 119, 122, sorry. All right, yeah, about 119 and change here. It kind of died on the vine there, all right, so kind of fell off there. Really, really mixed bag, and then you pull up ED, and ED had a good day. All right, you getting it? So really, really mixed bag across the board. Industrials, just down across the board. I got GE down 0.42, just a 0.4. Raytheon was down, Northrop was down, General Dynamics and Lockheed Martin, they were all down, but they were just slightly down. All right, Cat Tractor was down $1.27 to the downside. A couple of stuns that were moving up, and they were slightly. Waste Management was a little bit better today. Got the day up there, but trapped inside that big mother bar. All right, so that one here, Waste Management, a little bit better. GWW. All right, Granger with the inside month here holding out, with the week holding up pretty well. Nice day up today with the hammer up. Okay, Staples across the board, pretty bad here today. Not horrible. Procter and Gamble down 1.72%, down $2.69. That's your Procter and Gamble today. XLP just really not doing anything for us here. All right, it's just stuck inside on the month here and shooter down on the week. Looking for this thing to probably break some, bring them back even a little bit more than there. I got one that looks like it was positive today. It was Monster. All right, if you're into that kind of thing, Monster had a nice day, still coming up from here. There's room here, guys. All right, on this one on the daily. But you just don't have the month right. I like the week though, but yeah, we got a lot of time on that week still, okay? On the month, I mean. All right, so Monster, you're getting the idea. Archer Daniels Midland was a positive, but again, real mixed bag. All right, Walmart was lower this morning here, and we talked about Costco. We talked about Nike. We talked about Kohl's stores. I like that. I like this Kohl's stores. I bought some Kohl's stores today. I'm going to hold on to Kohl's stores. That one looks pretty good. Walmart goes 2-1 inside here, so kind of this is what stalled everything out here once we got into March, right? I mean, this thing was really moving nice. January, February were just great. Started to break here, and then you got the new month in here, and now you're stuck in there. And it's going to take some doing to get out of this thing here. So watch for the week here. We've got to get like maybe a 3-1-2 reversal if we can get that thing back up. But Walmart was down for the day. Target, a lot of stores now are going to be lowering their prices. Even Costco now came out, and now they're going to lower the price of eggs and a lot of other things too. So pay attention to that. So that's probably going to hurt earnings down the road. But we'll see what happens right now. Okay. All right. So Target was down on the day. For good reasons, right? They're cutting their prices. All right, so down with Target today. There you go. That group and consumer defensive stocks and discretionaries. There's another group. We talked about Nike. It popped up and it did not really come back at all today. All right, so Nike's just down on the day, downer outside. All right, just nothing here at the bottom of the broadening formation on the dailies. So maybe something comes out of this, but with the 3-1-3-2 pin down. All right, it's going to take a month reversal to get that thing changed around. All right, there's your shooter down on the week. Just sit tight, man. Sit tight. All right. Again, talk about Starbucks was positive today. So you got to be you just have to be a really good stock picker right now if you're picking stocks, boy. I tell you, you get the right one today, like Starbucks. It's a good day. It was up 67 cents, 0.066. Nothing too crazy, but it's 212 on the month and it's 312 on the week. All right, so full time frame in at give me that 3-1-2-2 back up. All right, Starbucks. Starbucks really nice there. All right, not going to go into too much of it. Tesla was positive today. Amazon was down today. So Tesla was up like 2.1%. Amazon was down 0.78%. We got such a mixed bag. Google 0.54%. Just nothing going on, guys. If anything, healthcare is not good, but I see the insurers possibly getting a little bit better here now. United Healthcare had a better day today. Now that's inside day. Look for a 212 back up. The week is okay. The month can be fixed fairly easy. But still stuck inside there right now. All right, so a couple of them moving around. We know Marna made a move last week, and Marna's still kind of pushing things around after it had the 2 up and then stalled out. And then, boy, it came right back up, all right? But then it kind of gave it up again today, a little bit at the end here. They were trying to get it going here, but Marna. All right, healthcare, industrials, not good. XLI, the group I'm looking at it. There's about 7 green names and 25 red. All right, so here's your day on XLI today. Not doing anything here. Stuck inside this pattern too. All right, stuck inside the month here. No going hurrying after anything. Okay, we talked about the Lockheed Martins and those banks. Same thing. Really across the board, I got red. I got a couple names that are popping up here that are a little better. American Express was good today. 2 up on there on American Express. They had a good day today. PayPal had a good day today. PayPal. All right, PayPal was a better day. It goes outside, stuck in the middle, but not horrible, but still stuck inside here. All right, on that monthly, and we're 1-1, so it's been consolidating now for a week and 3 days. We'll see if anything comes out of that. Coinbase was a little bit better, up about 1%. Coinbase across that board as well. So energy, overwhelming. The one group that we have that is in sync and moving forward. All right, so we're going to continue to watch the energy stocks, and then I'm looking here at I'm looking at tech. I mean, and it's just such a mixed bag. Couple names, and then we'll wrap it up here. All right, Intuit, INTU. Cloud stocks still coming down. All right. That is one of your cloud stocks coming back down on that one. And then we can take a look at CRM. It's just um, Salesforce here, CRM. Stuck in the middle with you on the inside day. That's indecision. I got month coming down here, but holding green right now and stuck inside. Garbage. All right, garbage. I gotta say, if I was gonna pick a couple of stocks that look good to move, I kind of like Cisco. And Cisco had a decent day. It was inside. All right, so I'm looking for 212, maybe possibly back up here. Got up to what, 78.57, closed it at 78.10, so still right there. I kind of like that one. We know that Marvel made a nice move, and so Marvel had the 212 up, and then today spoiled back. All right, so they took some profits again. Marvel, just a mixed bag. LRC Lam Research was up 1.69% today. Dell Computer up 2.48% today. Dell has been doing really well. Micron, forget about it. I mean, it's made the big move. I just wouldn't go chasing that thing right now. Akamai was up a little bit. Salesforce and now Semiconductor, Adobe, Autodesk, IBM, all of them on their cloud stocks just not doing that great. Uber showed up today. And we had Lyft about a week ago. It's a good day for Uber today. All right, Uber had a nice day today on the 3% up. They're up 3.61%. Nice move there. We'll see if Lyft did anything there. LYFT. They usually go along, nothing much with Lyft, all right. But Uber, nice day. All right, I'm gonna leave it at that. If there's any healthcare stock that I like Medtronics. I think Medtronics is still gonna go higher. It's come back down on the weekly. Right, so it got up to where did it get to? Up on the yearly high, 105.41. Oh, this is the wrong one, by the way. This was the 221 back down. I meant to say Merck, MRK. Sorry about that. Merck, there you go. It's a little bit different. 2-2 up with the stall out with the inside month. She probably stays inside month. We get the reversal turnaround. If the futures start to firm up, either way, I just firm up either way. Either let's get to puking or let's get to running. All right, because this chop is tough, man. It's really tough to trade in this market right now. So I'm going to leave it at that. I'll get you in the morning. We'll see what tomorrow brings, and everybody just have a wonderful evening and be good.